All right, today we are going to talk about a subtraction strategy called adding up in chunks. Here's how the subtraction strategy works. Let's say our problem is 538 minus 365. Well, we are actually going to use addition to solve this problem since addition is usually our strength. We are going to start with our lowest number, and in this case, it's 365, and we're going to rewrite it down below. I also like to draw a little star above my highest number so I know what my stopping point will be. All right, from here, I'm going to add up in any way that I would like to, and when I get to 538, I will know that's when I need to stop. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get to a friendly 10. I know that if I add 5 more to 365, it will get me to 370. Now I'm going to take my answer, 370, and I'm going to rewrite it down below. I also want to get to a friendly 100. So I know that if I add 30 more to 370, that will get me to 400. All right, now remember my stopping point is 538. Now I'm going to rewrite the answer 400 down below. And I know that if I add 138 more, I can get to 538. Sometimes people just like to add the 100. So I could just add 100 to get to 500. And I'm going to bring that 500 down below. And now I can add that 38 to get to 538. So the choice is really up to the students and how well they can add their numbers. They can break it down into 138, or they could have combined it with 138 altogether. All right, so I've gotten to my stopping point, which matches here, and that's great. But now I'm going to find the answer. What I'll need to do now is I'm gonna box all the numbers in the middle. This is why we lined our problem up nice and straight. I'm gonna pick 2 add-ins to add together first. I think I'll do 5 and 35. So 5 plus 30, 5 and 30. 5 plus 30 is 35. Okay. And now I'm going to add 138. 100 plus 38 equals 138. All right, I have these 2 guys remaining, these 2 answers here. I'm going to add them together. 138 plus 35. Now, some students will be able to do this part in their head. Some students will not, and that is quite all right. So now we're going to move into our place value break apart strategy here. And so I have a choice. I can decompose the number 138 into 100, 30, and 8. And I'm going to decompose the number 35 into 30 and 5. All right. Now I'm going to add my hundreds. Well, I only have 100 over here. So 100 plus 0 equals 100. Sometimes people like to mark out their number over here. You can do that if you'd like. I'm going to add my tens. I have 30 plus 30, which equals 60. Mark those out as I go. And then I have 8 plus 5, which equals 13. Now I'm going to add up all 3 of these numbers, and hopefully at this point I'll be able to do this in my head. I'm going to start with 60 plus 13. Hopefully you won't have to decompose that 13, but if you need to break it down into 10 and 3, you can. I know that 60 plus 13 is 73, and then I have 100 left. I'm going to add the 100 to the 73, and I'm going to get 173. So going back here, my answer is 173.